Articulation lesson, F versus TH sounds. Understanding the difference. Hello. Today, we're diving into two sounds, F and TH, and understanding how they differ. These sounds can be a bit tricky, but we'll break them down and make it easy to grasp. Let's begin with the F sound. To make it, gently place your top teeth on your bottom lip and blow out air like this. It's like a soft breeze. This is the letter F. Whenever you see it at the start or in the middle of a word, it creates the F sound. For instance, fish begins with F and giraffe has F in the middle. Can you think of other words with the F sound? Now let's move to the TH sound. To produce it, gently stick your tongue out between your teeth and blow out air like this. It's like a soft, quiet wind. This is TH. When you encounter these letters at the beginning or in the middle of a word, it creates the TH sound. For instance, think starts with TH and bath has TH in the middle. Can you think of other words with the TH sound? Now, let's reinforce our understanding. Remember, the F sound is made by placing your top teeth gently on your bottom lip and blowing air out, like a soft breeze. Meanwhile, the TH sound is produced by gently sticking out your tongue between your teeth and blowing air out, like a soft, quiet wind. Great job! Keep practicing these sounds and soon you'll become a pro at distinguishing F and TH. See you next time.